What's up, you guys? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to simply copy and paste effects from one clip to another. So we're working on a quick exercise program, but let's say we locked in the color, right? Okay, looks good. Camera angle 1 looks the same as camera angle 2, and so I've got all these effects, or I changed the color on this clip, but I'm working on either a documentary or I got a bunch of clips like I do in this timeline, and I want to copy those effects onto all these other clips. All right, so first things first, I'm going to remove the current effects, all right, and that's going to change the color a little bit, and I've left this one finalized clip over here, and I'm going to show you how to simply copy these effects over. So let's say I've got two camera angles. As you can see, camera angle 2 is on V2, camera angle 1 on V1. Let's go ahead and click on this clip and come up to the effects control panel. If you don't see that, you can click window, make sure effects controls is highlighted. All right, and you can see here everything. All right, you got the position, you got rotation, you got opacity, you've got the color that's on this clip. And then if I come over to this clip here and I click on it, you can see I don't have any color, and the position, everything is different, right? So if you have specific effects on this clip that you want on that clip, you can click on motion if you wanted to copy the motion effects, all right? And then you would highlight motion, control copy, and then you would want to click on that and then press control V or paste, right click and paste. So that's a way to copy all of motion, all right? And motion is going to, include position, scale, rotation, everything. If you had certain masks on this video, or you had changed the opacity, you could highlight opacity, control C, and then click on whichever other video you wanted to have those effects on, control paste, control V, right? Same thing goes with lumetri color. Let's say I got color on this clip. I can just go ahead, highlight that, control C, and let's say I want that on all of these camera angle 2 shots. So I'm going to highlight all of those, control V. And remember, there were no effects previously on these videos, and now if I click on them, you can see lumetri color is on every single one. All right. And so I'm going to do the same thing for camera angle 1. So if we highlight over a section where there's just camera angle 1, you can go ahead and click that clip, come up to lumetri color, control C or copy, and then I'm going to zoom out, highlight all the clip ones, and control V. So regardless of what effect, whether it's an effect, a position, changes to the clip, distortions, anything, I'm just going to click on it, and then I can simply, don't need to ever do those effects again. I can just paste it on any other clip, and you'll be able to open up the effects control panel and see that for yourself. All right, so I hope this helped. Drop a comment below if you guys got any other questions on this video or any other videos on the channel. Subscribe. Thank you for checking it out. Have a good one.